Have you ever ended up in this situation? Does it just shut on its own? Does your Porsche do this? It's extremely annoying, right? On this upload, I'm gonna show you how to fix that problem permanently. So let's dive straight into it. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I already told you on this upload, I'm gonna show you how to fix the dreaded chop saw, head decapitating hood of a Porsche 911S. So how do you fix it? Well, the problem is simple and the tools are even simpler. All we need is a screwdriver. I think I already pulled out the one I needed though, because I started, what did I do with it? Oh well, we'll get another one. So all you're gonna need to do this is a flathead screwdriver. Super complicated, super technical. And you're gonna need a set of stabilists. Basically, you're gonna need a set of hood shocks. When I ordered these, I went up to my local Advanced Auto Parts, talked to my rep, Scotty, and fun fact for you, in their system, they call this bit right here, they call it a frunk, they call it a hood, and they call it a trunk. But then on the bylines, they like specify where on the car it actually is. So I found that kind of funny. Nonetheless, you're gonna need two of these guys. I'll put a link in the description below for an eBay and an Amazon affiliate, depending on what you prefer. Some people like Amazon, some people like eBay. So I'll make sure to put both in the description section below. Now let's get into the fun fact of this. I promised you could do this in about 5 minutes or less. It's pretty simple. First thing you wanna do is you gotta, well, open your frunk. And open it up. Now we're gonna need something. Now the deal here is we do need something to like hold it open so we don't die and it fall in on us while we're working on it. So I gotta find something. Perfect. So here's the hood struts. All right, so the way you do this is you take your flathead screwdriver and you just put it right down in there. Pop that out. Take that clip off there. Now you want to make sure to do this with something holding the hood up or having somebody hold it up. Pull that out and then rotate the bottom. Done. Now when you get these off, guys, you want to make sure that they do match the new set that you have. So .0596PK is the actual part number for the Stabilis brand here. Now, I'm not saying that this brand is the best or the greatest. This is just happens to be the brand that my representative at Advanced Auto Parts purchased. So they are the same length and oh, they are. Look at that. Stabilis right there, OEM brand. This is the original. So these are actually OEM replacements. That's even awesomer. I did not realize that. To put these back in, it's pretty easy here. Just want to take that end, pop it on like that. And this is where it might get saucy for me. Ugh. I gotta put the GoPro down, guys. Let me set this down. We'll get this thing installed here. Whoa, pick the hood up a little bit. Perfect. And there you go. It's pretty simple, I told you. We're definitely gonna rate this on the Jack scale of difficulty DIYs. I'm gonna rate this a 1. Now, other things that I've rated on the Porsche, on a 911, or just Porsches in general that are 1s, are doing a brake job. I think brake jobs on this are definitely a 1. And if you want to know more about how to work on your Volkswagen, your Audi, your Porsche, or your LS swapped Audi, that thing over there, consider subscribing to the channel, because on this channel we do a little bit of everything about automotive shit. Whoa. Now that we got that out, give it an easy test. Ta-da! Awesome job. Give yourself a high five, fist bump, boom, all those cool things, thumbs up. You guys did it. Once again, this is one of those super easy tasks and very easy maintenance. It's some of these little things on our cars that give us the biggest headaches. With every one of these DIYs that you do yourself, you've saved yourself hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in some cases. So the value I'm bringing is to save you money and to put it back in your pocket. So consider subscribing on that high, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace. I'm Audi. Porsche. No, I'm Audi. Peace.